Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set a reminder in your Google Sheets file. So, if you don't want to forget some tasks on the Google Sheets, you can just add a reminder. But in here, you need to add an extension to your Google Sheet. So I'm going to show you how. First, you can just click on the extensions menu at the top and go to the add-ons and click on the get add-ons option, and it will lead you to the Google Workspace marketplace. So you can just search the apps. You can just type in the keyword add reminders, this one, and there will be these apps that you can add to your Google Sheets. So this one, the add reminders app, you can see I've already installed one on my Google Sheets. So just click on install, and after that, that add-ons will be added to your Google Workspace. So to add the reminders, you can go to extension again. So this is the add reminders option. So to start adding the reminders, you can just click on the setup. After that, this add reminders panel will be shown on the right side of your Google Sheets. So you can just click on add a new reminder, and here you can choose the deadline column and the reminders you want to set, for example, 1 hours before, or days, weeks, months, or years. So after that, you can notify other people in the Google Sheets if this is a shared Google file. And after that, just click on done. So reminders will be set. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.